Check out how I transformed this side table for our living room. We bought the piece from someone on Facebook Marketplace for only $20, but it needed some work. First, I took off all the hardware and cleaned it with Barkeeper's Friend. Then I gave everything a coat of gold spray paint. Next, I cleaned off the whole piece really well before giving it a light sanding. And then 2 coats of gray primer. Then I painted it with black paint we had left over from another project. I gave it 3 coats and lightly sanded between coats for a smoother finish. Finished it off with a few coats of polyurethane, reattached all the hardware, and here it is. I love how the black looks next to the colorful rainbow I painted on the wall. Follow me for more furniture flips and colorful home decor.